In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product catalog categories in Wix. To get started, log in to your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Depending on the version of the dashboard you see, you will either click Store Products or Catalog. From there, select Categories. This is the section where you can organize your store in a way that makes it easier for customers to browse and find what they're looking for. When you arrive on the Categories page, go to the top right and click New Category. This opens the setup area for a new category. Here, you will enter the category name. Choose something clear and relevant to the products you plan to include, such as accessories or summer collection. A good category name helps shoppers immediately understand what they can expect to see inside that section of your store. After naming the category, upload a header image and add a brief description. The header image gives the category a more polished and visual look, which can make your storefront feel more professional and appealing. The description should be short but helpful, giving visitors a quick idea of what kind of products are included. Try to keep it simple and easy to scan. Next, it's time to add products to the category. Under the description area, click Add Products. You will see a list of available items from your store. Check the boxes next to the products you want to include. Then click Add. One useful thing to know is that a single product can belong to multiple categories, so you don't have to worry about limiting an item to just one section. This gives you a lot of flexibility when organizing seasonal items, featured collections, or overlapping product types. Once your products have been added, click Save to keep your changes. If you want to organize your catalog even further, you can also create subcategories. This is optional, but it's especially helpful if you have a larger inventory or want a more detailed store structure. To do this, find an existing category, click the More Actions icon with the 3 dots next to it, and select New Subcategory. Then give the subcategory a name, add the relevant products, and click Save. Wix allows you to create up to 5 levels of subcategories, which gives you plenty of room to build a neat and organized catalog. That's it. Thanks for watching.